Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your meta ads creative strategy using Canva templates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and create a new design. Select the appropriate dimensions for your meta ads. Browse the available templates specifically designed for social media ads. Filter the templates by category or search for specific themes that suit your brand. Choose a template that aligns with your campaign goals and branding. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Customize the text by clicking on existing text boxes. Replace the placeholder text with your original copy. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand's guidelines. Next, replace images or graphics in the template. Upload your own images or select from Canva's extensive library. Drag and drop your chosen images into the designated areas. Use Canva's editing tools to resize and crop images as needed. Incorporate branded colors and elements to ensure consistency. Add any additional design elements like icons or shapes if necessary. Consider adding animations or transitions for engagement. Preview your design by clicking the play button in the editor. Make any final adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. Once satisfied, click the download button in the top right corner. Select the appropriate file format for meta ads, like PNG or JPG. Save the file to your computer. Now, log into your Meta Ads Manager. Create a new ad campaign or select an existing one. Upload your new creative design to the ad set. Ensure the text and visuals align with your campaign objectives. Review the ad preview to confirm everything appears as intended. Finally, click Publish to launch your updated ad strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.